Back at the tractor again. Never ending story, this one. Okay. That one back there. The two nuts are right there, so hopefully I don't lose them, but I'm probably good enough to lose them. There we go. Just like that. And there's okay. Need some lights up here. There we are. Okay. Now, get some wire here. And we'll feed it down through where? Maybe I should fit it up through. There he is. Okay. That's good there. Moving down through here. So and you're gonna have to go up there. So now what will I attach that one to up here? Alright, now let's see here. That's gonna be the fan. Have I got a fan? Yes, I got a fan right there. Finger's too big. Fingers are too big to get at the switch. I got him. Alright, now this red one coming in there. Black one coming in here. I need to get across here somewhere now just to try and keep it out of the way a little bit. I'm going to have to get a terminal to put on that as well. Okay. Set it here now. I'm back. Well, I went and took me dash off it. I'm back. I gotta go again. Yeah, here we are. Okay, I got him. What? Wasn't ideal. Was not ideal. Okay, there I did it. Alright, we'll creep down there now. Get in here now. Getting on that top switch right there. Okay, there it is. Now, I don't know if I got a fuse in for that one or not. Oh. Oh yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Absolutely. Okay, put that one down there. Set those right there. And those right there. So I'm going to want those. Alright, now what I'm going to do is move you fellers down here on the seat. That. And kind of tip you forward. Something like that, I believe. Ought to do the trick. Here, take this from there. Well, actually, what I want is the battery. More than that one. Battery for the drill. I don't know what that one is, aren't I? Never lightweight. I find with self-tapping screws, you call them self-tapping if you like, I suppose. But if the metal is either thick at all, you got to drill your hole and drill it the right size for the thread. So you're going to twist out that little bolt. That's all it's to it. Bear with me now. Bring back my terminals. I know you can see me through the window. I'm up here, look. See, look here. Okay. Now I can do one of two things. There, we gotta put them up, I reckon. Alright, let's sacrifice them. Just like that. Well, I know you're. Ouch. My finger! Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. That's not cooperating. No, sir. Okay, that's that one. Now, where did that brown fellow go? There he is, right here. Oh, he's already put it in. Perfect. Perfect, sir. Something any shorter, I wouldn't have got away with it. Well, that'll work for that fellow. And, this is going to work for this fellow. Here. I reckon it is anyway. Is it having? No, the brown character got again. Come back down here, I want you. Okay. Make that fellow move. Right there. That one. Take back that battery. Don't you love it when you're using somebody else's tools and he comes and borrows them? I guess that's the right. I have got my own. You stay on there. You come off, and you come off, and you go on. Try that, see how that works. Nope, that don't work. That don't work. That don't work because the little socket's over this side. I'm back. I know, thanks for the warning, right? I made a nice little door here for me to work through it. It didn't make big enough. Either that or I'm bigger than I thought I was. Oh, you jelly bean. Apple Jacks. La 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 la. Oh, I know where the blackbird be. I know where he be. Okay. Patience running thin. Lovely, all the way to the floor. Well, I know where you went to. Alright, boys, time for me to skin this cat. Don't know if you ever done this, but probably you have. Put that soft-timmy screw through that piece of electrical tape. And put it in the socket. Well, and I'm going to drop it again apparently. But that's okay. In the socket. And then I'm going to take them onto the socket. Just like that. Look. I'll use wig beer so you can see it. What I did. Now let's try. I am a redneck. I will figure it out. I will make it work. Not like that you want these. Not like that you want these. Off the tape. Disengage the drill. Remove the tape from the ground screw. And no Bob, he might be your uncle. Well, better not even up to, of course. And here we have a ground wire. And it took a little bit, but he didn't get the better of me, did he? Now, that's that one down there. And I think what I'm going to do with these, what am I going to do with these? Put a little electrical tape around the starters, just for good measure. If you wouldn't do that, why wouldn't you just tape it up in the first place? Well, guess I didn't want to, this boy. Now, we're standing enough for that. There like that. Made on up there. I'm not going to go inside and try that, see if that fan works. Anyway. She's only working on one speed. On the other hand, That's one more than I had before. So. Alright, now then, we'll put this here back up. Something here down. Any blinks whatsoever? Oh, I see the blinks. I don't know where I'm going to put those fuses. We got some nice storage up here. Do we? No, maybe we don't. Okay. Alright, that's that there. Go back right there for now. Slow her back up in place. That one there. And that one there. Oh yeah, that works much better than I had figured out before. Fine. Be like that. I'll just draw this one up first. Now that one I won't. Ha Try again. Try again, he says. Ah. Ha 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 ha. Well, one bolt with one nut would be enough to keep it up there anyway, but that didn't work. Put you there. When you're fabricating, figure everything out as you go. It don't always work out perfect. That's a fact, Jack. Not what we're looking for. Not happening. Fine. I'm not hurting you over. Well, maybe I am. We shall see now. Just how hard I am to get along with. Get that one up there. Kind of lined up where I want them. Like that. Gotcha. Gotcha. Now bye. Alright, so turn around with the fan down here. Okay, that works for me. Go on with that. Not a problem. Alright, that's done and that's done. Oh, tie wrap time, tie wrap time. Here we go, it's tie wrap time. To tidy up all this mess here. Once again. Okay, be right back. Grab me some tie wraps. Cable ties. neckties. Whatever you want to call them. Now, try these little black ones here first. See how much I can do with the little ones. How much I can do with the little ones. I could see if I was getting in the hole, but I can't see. Moving way around. I got him. Okay. For another one. Start it first, then I'll slide him down. Get started first. There we are. And then I'll slide them down in place like so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Magnificent. Is that magnifico? Magnifico. That could be wrong. It may not be politically correct. What? You may hear some things come out of me from my childhood. I grew up in Southern Ontario, and I tell you, in the 70s, everything was not politically correct. But then again, we survived it. And nothing against anybody, but there's a lot of politically correct phrases these days that those are just. They're just phrases. You know, some people mean stuff by them. I don't. I do not. I got he tied too tight there. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Of course I have, boy. Put him down like this, down. That down through here, back up through here. And so that just depends. I am a newfie, but I don't take offense to the word because I don't see anything wrong with it. I think that's a just shortened version for what I am. If somebody says you're a stupid newfie, or an ignorant newfie, well, yeah, then that is directly condescending. It is not nice. But that's for calling me a newfie, boys. Don't worry, I'm good for it. I'm good for it. Because I'm, like I said, I am a newfie. I am a newfie. It's only a abbreviation. That's the word I was looking for. Abbreviation for Newfoundlander. And I don't see anything wrong with it. So, here I am back again. And we got a fan that works out. How nice is that? So I got that wire hooked up. Got it working. I guess I can turn off that one there now. And I got that piece cut and put right there. I guess next thing is to go get the dash. See if we can get something done with that. Yeah, there we go.